Loos International, the global name for commercial and industrial boilers. Top quality boilers and flawless service, all assured by state-of-the-art production and project management. Quality made by Loos. Every boiler project is managed by a dedicated system specialist. For the customer, this means one contact at all stages of order processing. Our electrical engineering guarantees problem-free boiler integration. From workstation screen to finished product, digital project realization is fast and efficient. Planning data pass seamlessly to the respective CNC-operated manufacturing systems, such as our cutting laser. Computer-aided design and manufacturing belong to everyday operation at Loos. The precise form-fit production of pressure components is accomplished with flame-cutting machines. The cylinder form for fire tubes or boiler casings is produced on a bending roll. Welds are carried out at special video-monitored welding stations or by fully automated robots. Here, a corrugated fire tube is being created. Burners heat the material to over 900 degrees Celsius. The corrugations are then pressed in. Specially designed jigs allow welding of internal boiler components at optimal positions. X-ray inspection confirms our consistently high materials and weld quality. Parallel to the manufacture and assembly of the metal boiler components, the electronics department is at work on the boiler control system. Meticulous testing guarantees problem-free commissioning and operation. Hydrostatic pressure tests at twice operating pressure and independent pre-installation examinations by the German TÜV assure long and safe boiler operation. A great number of international certifications demonstrate the high safety level of Loos boiler systems. The final steps in manufacture: insulation cladding and fitting of special equipment. The boiler is now ready for delivery. There is a wide range of applications for our quality products, from heat generation in district heating power plants to the economical provision of process heat for numerous commercial and industrial applications. Meeting the highest environmental requirements goes without saying. Perfect system integration. The customer receives a modularly produced complete system. Everything matches perfectly. Our stored program control systems, Loos Boiler Control and Loos System Control, operate with the newest bus technologies to allow fully automatic boiler operation. Loos boilers are factory equipped for quick and inexpensive teleservicing. Commissioning is swift and professional, carried out by our own service department. Loos provides maintenance support anytime on location. Our service department, as well as our spare parts department, are on call around the clock, 365 days a year. We continue to invest in education and professional development in order to preserve our high quality level. We also school and train at our own training center. Both customers and employees benefit from our state-of-the-art educational materials and simulation technologies. As a pioneer in boiler system design, we are committed to research and development. And this commitment is underscored by a wide range of innovative patents, new products, as well as our active and advisory collaboration with standards and certification committees. And with branch offices and dealers in so many countries, we are always nearby. Our long list of satisfied customers speaks for itself. Since its founding in 1865, Los has manufactured 100,000 boiler systems. Los International, for a future of quality.